Hey guys, welcome. So how do you upload Canva template to Google Slides or where it be a theme? It's very simple, so bear with me in this one. And this one, let's say you're trying to create a design and you're using a template or a theme. So here are the documents. You could basically just download all of this. So once you're done downloading all of that, you should go ahead to Google Slides and basically import theme. Click on this one, and in here you can see the themes that you've already downloaded, and just basically implement this to whatever it is on your Google Slides basically. Okay, so yeah, that's how quick and simple and easy it is. So, and in here you can just basically, on Google Slide itself, it's a lot of themes, variable themes as well, but in templates they don't have templates on Google Slide, hence why they rely on other platforms. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.